Now we need to choose ingestion method based on data types. Imagine different delivery vehicles. A train for structured cargo. This is a train. A van for semi-structured boxes. This is the van. And a flexible cart for mixed packages. In Databricks, JDBC or ODBC ingestion suits structured relational data. Autoloader or REST ingestion works well for semi-structured formats like JSON or XML. And streaming ingestion handles unstructured or continuous event data. Continuous event data, we can say. Selecting the right method based on data type ensures smooth ingestion, minimal transformation overhead, and reliable pipelines. Let's meet in our next lecture.